Hey, what's good, YouTube world? My name is Prashil, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10, and this is the Costco bundle. So it comes with a few other goodies, as well as obviously the hero of the story, no pun intended. And yes, let's get straight into the unboxing. Alright, so first things first, a few of the extras that you get with the Costco bundle is the Shorty, which is the mini extension pole. Basically, it's sort of an extended grip that doubles as a tripod. And next in this bundle, you get a spare battery, which really does come in clutch, especially when you're out in the world shooting for extended periods of time. So yeah, this definitely is very important to have, and I'm glad it actually came with this bundle. So these are all nice, but let's get straight into the main course first. So I'll set these aside here, and just looking at the box, yeah, it's nicely packaged and tells you exactly how you can use this. There is an app for it on the App Store and on the Google Play Store, and you can even upload all your footage straight to the cloud, which is very nice. And these are the features of the camera itself. So you've got that 23 megapixel sensor, 5.3K footage at 60 frames per second, as well as 4K at 120, and a bunch of other features which you can pause the video and have a read of. But for now, I'm going to get straight into the unboxing. So there doesn't seem to be any real way to open this. Oh, actually, never mind. Little tab here that you can pull. Just like that. So yeah, one thing I love about this purchase is that you get a really nice carry case, which actually feels really good in the hand, really premium. And honestly, it feels really solid. So I feel like you can just chuck this in your bag and you'll be good to go. Alright, so let's go ahead and unzip this. Wow, this is the most action I've gotten all year. Oh wow, I gotta say, first things first, this smells amazing. I really do love an unopened new package. Yeah, it does smell amazing. You've got your camera over here, you've got your important cables, as well as your mounts. And this is your main battery, which you get to go on the camera. Alright, so you pretty much have this little trio of kit, which is for mounting. So this is the sticky end, which you can stick to any surface. And then you've got your little tool here, which goes in the thread of the mounting bracket itself. So this allows you to mount it onto various surfaces, helmets, things like that. And yeah, this is really cool. Alright, let's have a look at the camera itself. Alright, so it's pretty light, I would say. And yeah, let's just tear this up here. And there you have it, the GoPro Hero 10. And yeah, I gotta say, it really does feel nice and light, you know, nice and compact, despite being larger than the previous generations. In fact, let me just grab my GoPro Hero 7. So this has sort of been my daily for the past how many years now? I think it's been about 3-4 years. This has sort of been what I've been using. So this is the Hero 7 Black. And yeah, definitely, as you can see, bigger in terms of length and width than the Hero 7. But I gotta say, it only weighs ever so slightly more than the Hero 7. So yeah, I think for the most part, it is still pretty compact. I do appreciate that you've got a bigger front screen here, as opposed to the little one, which wasn't that helpful on the Hero 7 Black. And obviously when you turn it around, you've got more screen real estate on the Hero 10 Black as opposed to the 7. But yeah, for the most part, they've kept the design language pretty similar. And honestly, you can't really fault them that much on it because, well, this design just works. So yeah, why would you want to mess up that formula anyway? Alright, I'll set these aside and we'll go and have a look at the actual accessories we get, because other than just some product info and quick setup guide, there's really nothing else in this really nice case anyway. Alright, I think we'll leave the battery aside for now because we pretty much know exactly what we're going to get in this box. But I am interested in checking out the Shorty, so let's go do that. And there you have it. It's honestly not as long as I thought. That is definitely what she said, but yeah, it's not as long as I figured. I mean, still a pretty good grip on it. And yeah, it does extend outwards, just like that. So yeah, definitely a grower, not a shower. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the shorty. Honestly, pretty useful, especially if you need a tripod. That also sort of doubles as a camera grip that allows you to, that can extend out for your camera. And yeah, you can utilize the pretty fantastic digital stabilization that the Hero lineup is known for. So yeah, this has been it for my GoPro Hero 10 Costco bundle unboxing. And you may be wondering why I didn't go for the Hero 11. And quite honestly, I was able to get this bundle, all of this good stuff, for about $200 less than just the GoPro Hero 11 Black itself. And honestly, that is a deal I will always take 10 out of 10 times. Because honestly, this will give me about 90% of the performance of the Hero 11 for $200 cheaper, and I get a spare battery and the shorty, which honestly I think is a great deal. I've been using the Hero 7 for many years now, and I think it was definitely time for an upgrade. So yeah, I'm really excited to be shooting a bunch of content with this, and even doing a review on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm super excited for it. And yeah, I'd highly recommend checking out any bundles that you see online for the older gen GoPro Heroes, because they are really good cameras and you can honestly save a decent amount and get quite a bit of stuff with a bundle. So yeah, I hope this has been informative. Thank you so much for watching, and looks like we're out of time, so I'll catch you in the next one.